hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Welcome back to another video. You are welcome to my YouTube. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Sarah. I live in Italy. Okay, so guys, on this video on this YouTube channel, we film about vlog, family lifestyle, beauty and flat tummy, anything concerning lifestyle. Okay, please do consider to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you all so much for always watching and for always supporting me on this video, So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one thing that you need to buy for your baby, so before your baby will complete 6 months, what you need to buy and keep at home for your baby. We are as a new mom, I just gave birth not quite long ago, and my baby is almost 6 months, not yet 6 months, almost, so getting ready for 6 months. And yeah, so I have to buy it and keep it because I don't have it before. If you are a mom before, you may have it, so as if you are not a new mom and you just gave birth and you need to buy it and keep it before your baby will complete 6 months. That if you are doing exclusive breastfeeding. If you are not doing exclusive breastfeeding, after 4 months your baby needs to start eating, those soft something. But if you are doing exclusive breastfeeding, after 6 months your baby needs to start eating, Yes guys, so without wasting our time and without ranting much on this video, let me show you guys what I got for my son, preparing him for his 6 months, so almost 6 months, getting to 6 months now. So this is one of the things that I bought for him that we are going to start using immediately my son got to 6 months. You know it, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Ta-da! So guys, this is what I got for my baby. This is what I got for my baby that is going to be using from 6 months, So let me just bring it out. So guys, this is all that I got for my son. This is Easy Me 4-in-1 blender that is so good for your baby, So this one contains 4-in-1 inside. So I'm going to be showing you guys the 4-in-1 that is inside. Yeah, so before your baby will complete 6 months, so you need to get this at home. If you are a new mom, most of the mom, they have it before. They just keep it for the next generation. Like me, I got this one for this my first son. So anyone that come after, which is the next generation, they are still going to use this. So no need to buy again. So if you can buy it at home. Anytime you're done with it, you can still wash it and keep it for the next generation, So yes guys,
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong.
So guys, here is it. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so good. Look at it guys. It's so good to blend your baby's food. This one is 4-in-1, which means you can use it to blend a lot of things, bringing out something from the freezer, bringing out something from the fridge, bringing out highs. You can use it to blend highs. You can use it to blend anything for your baby. Like even if the thing is blocked, as long as it's for your baby, something you can use it to blend anything blendable for your baby, you know. So guys, yes, so that, and here is another. This one, you can use this one for your carrots, you know. So this side for your carrots, you know. So, and it comes with this one and the machine through this book, through this paper. Yes guys. So, and this one is so cute. This one is on. Wow, I love it. So this is the blender. Let's open and see. Wow. So this is the blender inside. This one, I love the fact that it's plastic. So I love anything plastic in blender. I have a lot of blender. Someone might say you can still use your blender at home. The one you have at home, you can use it, you know. So, but me, I don't want to use it. I want to buy a new one for my boy, you know. So I want to get a new one for my boy. I don't want to use the one I have before. It's your choice. You can still choose to use the one you have at home. You can choose to buy a new one. So it's all depend on you and depend on your choice. Like me, I don't want to use the one I have. I want to buy a new one for my son, you know. So this is the new one that I got for him. Yes. So guys, this is all for the blender. I so much love the blender. And plastic blender, even if it falls from your hand, it's not going to break, it's not going to, you know. So it's just plastic blender that is so good. And this is the filter, and it's plastic as well. It's so good, that came with it. It's so nice and so good. So let's see what is here. Is it, and this is going to be the end of the video. And here is my unboxing blender with you all for my son, you know. So my son is almost 6 months old, so we got to prepare for him, you know. So when he's 6 months, I have to be doing all this blending food for him, you know. So yes guys, this is all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe, like and share this video. If not because of me, because of my baby, please do consider to subscribe to our channel. Okay, all right guys, see you all on my next video. Bye.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.